During the time of slavery, there was an escape route known as the Underground Railroad, which was used by many slaves to escape their captors. This railroad wasn't a railroad, but more of an escape passage through homes, churches, etc. The people who worked for the Underground Railroad risked their lives to free the slaves. This Underground Railroad helped save over 100,000 slaves. The year is 1830 and slavery is at its peak. Slave Harriet Tubman escapes from bondages and now is helping other slaves escape too.
All right, everyone, keep walking.
Harriet then took them off the land through the night by hiding behind trees, rocks, and other objects. Once off the plantation, they started their journey onto the Underground Railroad. They continued their escape throughout the night.
They arrived at their first stop, Frederick Douglass's house.
Anything you need to help me?
They stayed for the day, and then in the night they left again.
When he wakes, you guys will travel through the forest.
If you see anyone, hide.
They were traveling through the night, and suddenly there was a police.
Hide! Where'd they go? That was a close one. We need to be more careful. Okay.
They are now headed to Levi Coffin's house.
Come on, we'll hide here for the night. It's time for us to leave. Hey, get back here! Where'd they go? My gator!
Then they arrived at Levi Coffin's house.
I'm so glad you guys are safe. I have food and blankets and whatever you guys need.
Get in the corner! That was... Let's go! Hi! Get him! Oh, get back!
Well,
Coffin's house.
I'm glad you guys are safe.
Noah!